Hey YouTubers out there, how you doing today? I'd like to introduce you to my new channel. It's called Art and Food. Art and Food, remember that. Better yet, just click on that bell and subscribe to my channel, because you're going to have fun with Mr. Pablo, who works in the food department, and me, which is one and the same, works in the art department. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and go a little bit into my history. I've been drawing since 1972, I believe. I'm old, yes, I'm very old. Old as dirt, some people say. And I've taken art classes. I've done a mail order. That's how old I am. They didn't have internet. And it was called Famous Artists. And it was started by very famous artists. Can't remember their names. Anyway, so I've done that. I've taken art in school and graduated, of course, from that. And food. Well, my family's Italian, so I've got it in my blood. Look at the grease dripping out. No, but it's fun to make food, especially since it's an art. I bet you didn't know that, did you? Making food is an art. It's creative, which is the same as drawing, which is creative, or playing music, whichever. But anyways, I would really love it if you could just subscribe to my channel. It's called Art and Food. As you can see, I can draw Disney art, Marvel, regular sketches, animals, whatever you want. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. This is my intro video, and there's always more to see. So please make sure you subscribe to the Art and Food channel. Thank you, and have a great day.